Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. And this video, I'm just going to discuss about my advanced option strategy for the month of January. So last video or around yesterday, we are discussing about our monthly IV sheet that was not showing you the maximum stocks that is uh, showing you the big momentum. But today the trending is happening. So based on the concept of advanced option strategy, lot of stocks which triggers, and I'm going to discuss based on the concept how we can select 2 to 3 stocks or 3 to 5 stocks in a month. So a lot of opportunities today. Only one new thing which you have to, ITC is going to expire tomorrow due to demerger, and maybe tomorrow after we will be getting the new updates. But as of now, so we have a lot of stocks like motor stocks and like Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance almost as per our monthly positional. As a monthly positional trade, which we are waiting for 3 to 5 stocks for a month. But in this month, we have in the second day itself, we have a lot of opportunities today. And some of the stocks achieved our target also, more than our target. So that we discussed what are the valid entries and what are the stocks which given you valid entry with this chart. We can just discuss. And the first one, Maruti, even that was giving you the R4 breakout around 10:30, 11 o'clock. While I was in the class, I was just checking Maruti. So 11,300 is the strike price, which is giving you the R4 breakout around exactly 10:15 to 10:30 candle. Such a good move. So this is about an intraday I'm talking about. Intraday strike price is different, and positional strike price is different. So as an intraday, Maruti which given 11,300, but as per monthly strike price that would be around 10,900. So let me check Maruti is a valid entry. I think it is a valid entry, 10,900 call option. Exactly our entry point somewhere around 550, and it is giving you the valid entry. Let me remove this. 550 is our breakout point, and adding 550, that maybe on the same time it will be triggering that one point. So 550, so that was triggered around 10 to 10:15 candle. So if you are looking at our Google Sheet or even our charting scanners to find a monthly positional, so you know well Maruti is a good liquid stock, and also options are liquid, and almost it moved from 550 to 1000, more than double today. So that was an opportunity which is happening. And iShare Motor 4850 264, iShare Motor 4850. Even if we noticed that yesterday, so we don't have an high momentum stocks. Maybe it doesn't give you an opportunity. This is what a highest to level 245. Next candle it started with 267. If you are tracking, so 246 our breakout point. Almost there is a gap here. So maybe not trigger or not triggered our breakout point. So because if you are looking at exactly what is our breakout point, 246.4. So 246.40 is our breakout point. Maybe that was not triggered in this particular candle. So maybe the chances of trigger, if you are putting a stop loss around 2 or 3 rupees gap, maybe the chances, or I consider this is not a valid one. Bajaj Finserv 1580. So Bajaj 1580. So let me check Bajaj Finserv 1580. That was a great liquid and great opportunity. And while we are planning our positional one, which we can use 75.5, good liquid, but 75 point it is triggered. So prior to this 11 to 11:15, as well as 11:15, 11:30, half an hour that stock was trading here at this point. So if you are naked traders, so we may be trying at your entry point triggers at this moment. So we can try for a naked entry 75 to almost 150. That is also nearing to the double from our entry point, and the entry is not triggered by the gap up, and it is not triggered by the before 9:15. This is also be a valid entry, so which we are triggered at this moment. Maybe we can apply our hedging strategies like kind of things or FFO strategies. So we can apply any of the strategies at this moment, and overall market is good. That's not a concept, but a monthly basis concepts we have normally getting 3 to 5 stocks, but today so we have a lot of stocks, almost 10-15 stocks triggered. From that I think almost 30% near about 8-9 stocks. That was a good momentum today. and many stocks which triggers, and nearby many stocks are nearing to that breakout point. But you should consider those stocks, like for example Sri Sim, Sriram Finance, and these are all the slightly low liquid stocks. You need to, before trying for an opportunity, you should consider whether the stock is good liquid or not. So before that, in Bajaj Finance 6900, entry point 344, Bajaj Finance 6900, entry point. I think it was a huge gap of 243, 63, 344. This is what not a valid entry, because our valid entry point 344.5. So that was triggered in the first candle 344.5. Maybe that was giving you opportunity on the second candle. So re-entry, that is a valid also. When the first candle trigger means we normally don't try for that, and the second candle, if the same price is triggers, we can go for from 350, 500 almost. This is also moved well. So if you are looking for a 3 to 5 stocks for a month, I think the month of January is over now. So those who are following your advanced option strategy, and SBI card almost to 29%, 670 SBI card, and you need to check whether it is liquid or not. But remaining stocks, it's quite liquid. So this is also good liquid, and 29, 31, 31.2. So that may be triggered, I think, in this particular in 31.2. So around 1 o'clock, and after 1 o'clock, that was a good move, because we are looking for a positional one, not for an intraday. And also we are doing some kind of hedging strategies with this kind of trades, and not for a naked only. So we have a complete strategical basis movement. If it is triggers, but the charts which you are using for a study purpose, and whether it is triggered or not. But mostly our strategies without a chart, without an indicator. So how we can predict the or finding out the expected momentum, and the momentum is good, then there is a good opportunity where we can focus. I think so. The month almost more than 50% for stocks, almost 40, 50%. So 30% a lot of stock. Ashok Leyland also checked today, 222.5. So I think some auto stocks are good today, 222.5 as a positional one. And there is a huge move, 14.1, 11 to 14, our breakout point 11.4, 11.4, and this candle, but it may be triggered if you're tracking before, and it was sudden jump from 11.15 to 14. Maybe if you are waiting for 11.4 again, it never came back. Maybe if you are placing stop loss buy item, make it get triggered, or else it never triggered and returned back to the same price. It is not happening on that. So this is what chances of 2 may be triggered or may not be. So we should consider this one. And SBI triggered M&M 3050, and Chola Finance, I think long back I seen that Chola Finance in the list, and Titan is good, TVS Motor. So these are all the opportunity which triggers today. As per intraday, so many stocks given you opportunity. People asking you how you are selecting the stocks. I'm using charting dashboard also to combine with our intraday strategy. That will helping me to find out time wise breakout. So these are all the stocks from 9:30 to 9:45 today. Grasim, which I find out, but NMDC is not triggered, TA India is not triggered, REC and PFC. That was, I think, moved and then returned back. Sorry, I think it was stop lost and then returned back. Let me show you. If I'm taking REC and Grasim, REC, it's a high momentum, high volatile stock. 510, I think. REC, if you are looking at REC 510, yeah. So REC 510, based on our concept, 510 call option. Initially it went on and then triggers our stop loss, and again it went break the level. So let me check 5 minutes. Yeah. So it is giving you the breakout around 19, and then stop loss 8, 2 rupees, 2 or 2.5 rupees, and then second time breakout, and then this time it will be venting around 7 points, 6 to 7 points. So intraday, one or two stocks, if a quality and good liquid stocks, if came into the scanner, then we can focus that. That is what our monthly positional, which is triggers today. And then put side, some of the stocks triggered like Petronet and Crompton. Let me check Petronet 350, whether it is liquid or it is gap up. 350 put option. Look at this, the first three candle it went up to 21. So what is our breakout point? 19.1. Okay, so 21 is the gap up. Due to some gap up, it is reaching more than our breakout point. So means we are waiting again 19 to came back. So maybe if I'm waiting for, this is what my re-entry which is happening, and now almost 4 rupees higher. Even the put side overall market is positive. We got some opportunity in put also. And one more stock, Crompton 400. Our breakout point is 25.5. put also we need to check 25.5. So 25. Okay, you can look at this, there is a less liquidity, but if you are looking at 25.5, maybe in this particular candle 12:45 to 1 o'clock candle may got trigger 25.5. After that it went to 31, so almost 5 rupees more and 3 rupees positively it is closed. Maybe positional we are holding, and before entering into each and every trade we try for the liquidity and the volume. Okay, so thank you so much. And yesterday we made video, and today, so there is a lot of opportunity which triggers here. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you. Thanks for everyone who are subscribing my channel. Thank you.